That is a lot of ants.
You jumped out of my dreams, pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart, fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud nine.
Good Tuesday afternoon to everyone. So the night of the hurricane, we had some water leaks, unfortunately. This window here is leaking at the top. It's never been caulked. It just had the butyl tape around it. So I'm going to wind up caulking that today. And this window as well. We've had some water coming in. So I'm going to be putting a bead of caulk. Right around here. Probably stop there and see what it does on both sides. Anyway, yeah, I've got a couple of RV repairs that I need to make. We've only been here less than 2 weeks. But I knew about the one window. It was causing some issues previously. Instead of taking the entire window out, I'm going to see if this works for us. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's like 75 degrees, a little bit of breeze blowing, some clouds intermittent from here and there, and absolutely great. All right, guys, so this is the caulk that I use. It's called Big Stretch. I found it at Lowe's. It's highly rated, and it can, as it says, stretch. It's 100% acrylic, and you can paint over top of it and everything, so it's not like a silicone. All right, so this was going to be too difficult on a ladder, but I caulked from about there all the way around on both sides. And on this one over here, you can still see it. It comes out white and then dries clear. I brought it down halfway on this side, and then on this side I actually brought it around because there was a pretty large gap right there. So I brought it around to there. I might continue on all the way across. But anyway, I just want to see how this looks. I think it'll do the trick. Hoping anyway. The top part up there was kind of difficult because there was a little bit of the butyl tape that was sticking out, but I just kind of gently smeared it across there. I want to show you one other thing that I do have to do. One of our cap lights had stopped working, and when I pulled this out, I noticed that one of the wires was snapped off here, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then solder that back on, and hopefully we'll have this LED bar lit again, because only the one side was lighting and it looked kind of weird to me. All right, guys, thanks to our neighbors, I had a soldering iron to work with, and the lights are working. Just had to resolder that little wire back on there. I'm going to seal this up, get it all nice and pretty, I hope. And then, boy, this camper really needs a bath, doesn't it? I think we want to get it detailed here shortly, I hope. Either that or we'll do it ourselves. But yeah, happy with that. It looks good. All right, things are a bit of a mess in here. But anyway, I'm making some dinner. Michelle's at the dentist. I've got a bunch of different things going on in here. I got to clean up a little bit. But I wanted to show you this outside real quick. We got some fire ants that I just put some stuff on right there because I disturbed their nest. It's pretty close to the camper. Anyway, I got the grill going. And I want to show you the light. So I've just got a piece of tape holding that on there, but it's nice and sturdy and the light is working. And so yeah, I'm very happy with how that turned out. Hopefully as it dries up, it will never come off again and work forever and ever and ever until we get rid of this thing someday. Anyway, I'm going to be making barbecued chicken tonight. I think I'm going to do canned green beans and I'm not sure, what do we have in here? We've got baked beans, red cabbage. Oh no, I bought the wrong stuff, or somebody gave that to us. I don't know. Anyway, I don't eat sweet and sour red cabbage. It's pretty gross. We have Spanish rice. We had rice last night. I don't think I want to do that. Indian coconut vegetables. I don't think so. We got this at a natural food store that we found in Inverness, which is pretty cool. It's just like a place up in Pennsylvania called Sony. There's our peas. We'll do that. If I do peas, I don't think I'm gonna do baked beans. Oh, by the way, something else I gotta repair. See the door hanging there? Anyway, I backed into it because we had left it open because it was getting really hot in there. And the wood cracked somewhere. It's not terrible, but I am gonna have to glue it and then use a bar clamp on it to get it back together. I think I'm gonna keep this door off for now because it's just getting in the way. Anyway, maybe a salad? I don't think. Hello, light. Hello. There we go. Light's on. There's nothing in there. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, that's not anything. Let's see. Donuts, mixed vegetables, a couple of frozen pizzas, frozen broccoli. That is not going to cut it. There is nothing else in here, so I don't know what I'm going to do for a third thing. I guess maybe it's just going to be two things. Yeah, probably at this point. Oh, those strawberries. I need to do something with them pretty soon. Nothing fancy here, guys. Just some chicken breast and salt, pepper, garlic. Maybe some onion powder, some paprika. That is it. That was a lot of salt, I know. The salt and pepper don't come out very fast in this. This garlic powder is kind of dried out. Let's see what else. Anything else? How about a little bit of cayenne? That sounds great. Get a little spice. Alright guys, I made an executive decision. We're doing baked beans tonight. We got some organic baked beans from Walnut Acres. We used to get this all the time years ago, but anyway, that's what we picked up yesterday at the health food store as well. Natural food store. So that's what we're gonna have. Smells yummy. By the way, this is we're into week 2, and let's see, Tuesday, so we've been here a week and 3 days. And by the way, the chicken looks delicious. Do you guys like barbecue chicken? I do. Michelle's not a big fan. Anyway, we had some leftover barbecue sauce from the local place that we got a couple of days ago. It was, in a sealed container. But anyway, I used that on the chicken. So, yeah, it's time to eat. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, October the 7th. Tomorrow marks the 2-week anniversary of Michelle and I arriving in Florida and living full-time in our camper. I've been shooting a lot of video, little bits and pieces here and there, and that's what you guys are about to see. Unfortunately, I haven't really put together a formal vlog, so bear with us. Michelle and I really haven't been doing a whole lot in Florida with different things like, going out and about, checking all the sites out. We've just been really busy with getting things set up for work, for her and for I. And yeah, nothing's happening really on the house front. I'm actually standing on our property right now. Sweetwater Homes, they had a bunch of homes in the county queue to be approved for construction for the permit. We have 2 more houses in front of us, and I'm hoping in the next couple of days that we get approved for our permit. Today is week 7 waiting for the permit, so it's taking a long time for that stuff to get done. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy these couple of snippets that I have here. When the permit is approved, I will definitely put another vlog out. Michelle and I are going to try to do something fun this weekend. We might go down to Universal. Actually, I know we're going to go down to Universal tomorrow because we want to get our Florida residents account set up so that we can get a discount on our tickets. and maybe we'll head over to Disney Springs or something for dinner. Not sure yet. Possibly. Our son Garrett, thank you Garrett, got us a gift certificate to the Boathouse for our 25th wedding anniversary. I tried to make reservations down there, but they are booked solid through next week, so we might try to do a walk up and see if we can get a table or something. Anyway, if anything exciting happens on my walk through the property today, I will let you guys know. Oh, by the way, we set up the house approximately where we want it and the garage back there. What I'm thinking about doing today is, we talked about that other driveway that's going to be back there. I think I'm going to lay that out today if I have an opportunity, and we will, have a better idea of where we're going to be driving our RV into the garage that way. And maybe this weekend, well, not this weekend, but maybe next week, I'll bring my tractor out and we can maybe start clearing some of that land out up there, because I'm getting kind of bored. I'm ready for this house build to get started. It's been so long. Michelle and I signed March 30th of this year, and here we are in October and we still don't have anything really done. It's just been a long process, and things are moving extremely slow in Florida, from the permitting to the build process to the finishing of the house. All of that stuff taking forever. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos when they become available. This is our journey in Florida, moving to Florida, living in our fifth wheel, and building a house from start to finish. So if you guys are interested in something like that, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, feel free to make a comment below. We'd love to hear comments from all of our viewers. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.